Follow us, join our awesome community, and I will give you the best food for a reasonable price.
And a virtual hug.
A reasonable price, it's free! It's free.
Yeah.
Just come.
No, of course.
So welcome to GDG Cloud London 2019. It is November, and we've just finished the JavaScript course for women in tech. Is that correct?
Women tech makers.
Women tech makers. And we had graduation day. We had 3 great presentations. It was just brilliant. Everyone's excitement. Everyone learned so much. It was so inspiring. And they've got a new course that started yesterday. But enough from me. Let's hear from the boss.
We started our new course, which is Firebase React Web Crash course. It's going to be 4 weeks, and it's going to run for all November.
Eddie, how about an Angular bootcamp?
Yes, let's do it, because Angular is just awesome. Angular with Firebase, if you wish, with Cypress.
Woo! Angular with Firebase.
Let's do it.
Okay.
So we should do it.
We will plan it.
We will do it.
We will do it. So we will run this in early 2020. We were planning it, and since Eddie is giving Oils full support in divided attention, we will definitely do it.
Sounds good. And Andrew CUNLIFFE is watching. I'm roping you into this. He's going to help me do this because he knows Angular he contributes to it. He knows it really, really well. So it would be great to have him on board.
Maybe we could also reach out to Angular girls.
That would be
girls.
awesome. We would love to do, we have our own workshops coming up, but we'd love to do some workshops for your community because your community is amazing.
Okay. So I will totally tell it to the person in charge. Early 2020, we're going to have this Angular course and Firebase.
With Code Mortals, Angular girls, and Andrew.
Okay.
Women in tech. Let's do it.
For this month, and we've got 2 more events. One on the 18th at Google Cloud Run with Ron and Mendel from the US. And it's going to be particular because other than talks and workshop, we're going to also run. If you're attending Google Next, we have 2 sessions on the second day. During right after lunch, you have a session with me talking about cloud and community at the Dev Zone.
Also talking about dialogue flow. With your conversation.
Yes,
actions.
and yes, I will be there.
Whoop, whoop.
I look forward to seeing that. Both sound really exciting. I can't wait.
Probably.
So the 10,500 people watching this video on my channel, please join their meetup group.
GDGcloud.com.
GDG Cloud. Perfect.
Just join the link or follow the hashtag on our hat.
I think we have the ad.
Yes, so follow us, join our awesome community, and I will give you the best food for a reasonable price.
And a virtual hug.
A reasonable price, it's free! It's free.
Yeah.
Just come.
No, of course.
Woo!
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Congratulations.
Marcello, congratulations! Yay!
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Rudo.
Hello and welcome to GDG Cloud 2019 graduation course. Woo! And please say your name and introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Oni. I'm an engineer,
Love that.
hardware engineer.
So I see you at so many events. It's amazing.
Yeah,
I love it.
yeah,
It's
yeah.
great.
It's like I had my first taste and I was just like, okay, this seems a bit interesting. Let's find out more and then go back again and can't seem to help myself.
Awesome. That's a great sign. And how did you find the course?
I've really enjoyed it. It's one of those things where I was just like, JavaScript course, I don't know anything about JavaScript, but I want to learn more. And we had like lessons every week, and then we also had like assignments to do as well, so which was good.
Okay.
It was quite interactive, so I really enjoyed that.
Please say your name and introduce yourself.
I'm Jesus. I'm a software developer, originally from Spain. I'm working in London for some time. I took the course and I found it really technically instructive, but much more personally amazing.
So you had a good time on the course?
I have an amazing time on the course. I of course recommend taking this course or whatever course organized by Amanda and GDG.
They are
Cloud.
awesome, aren't they? I mean, what a power couple, power team with everyone helping them. It's brilliant.
So what exactly, you've been here for 3 years with us, but what exactly are we doing right now in this course? I mean, what's this course all about?
I really enjoyed especially the JavaScript crash course. It will be a bit difficult for me to understand where I'm coming from and where I'm going. So at least if I now know, I do have a knowledge for the JavaScript, like for the Firebase I'm going to, so that at least I will know.
The second course, right?
The second course. So at least I will know exactly where I'm going and where I'm coming from. This is the reason why I'm sticking by you people. Thank you very much.
Well, thank you.
I'm Angel.
And Angel, what do you do?
I'm transitioning into software development, I hope, but I'm actually a teacher of computer science
Awesome.
and a student. I've just finished.
That sounds
uni.
great. And how did the course go?
Brilliant. This was one of the best courses. Like, I go to a lot of meetup and events, but this is the best for me. Some direction. I like the fact that we get direction and I can get my questions answered.
So one question they asked me is, what do you think were your best years? Like, I worked for 25 years. So I worked in India, Tatas, I work in Silicon Valley.
Okay.
So I'm a naturalized American. So they asked me what's the best. And I said, the wonderful thing of our industry, the software industry, is it's still, growing up. So the best is still to come.
Nice,
And
good
I guess
answer.
this course was again, confirmation of what I said. There's so much new technology, such great stuff going on. I've been attending the Google Cloud since 2018.
Okay.
So just 1-2 years. There'll be fantastic events. The community event, you just feel more lively, there's more fun. Sav, Amanda, fun
Amazing,
people.
right?
Right. I'm just disappointed none of them presented in this, course. So next time, let's hope they
Next
do
time,
that too.
peer pressure. So Sav and Amanda, if you're watching, next time you're presenting as requested.
Yeah, that's right.
My name is Stefano. I'm from Italy. I'm here in London since like 7 years or something.
Okay.
And I work like as a senior front-end engineer. And then, I've joined this amazing group, GDG Cloud London,
Nice.
since like few months. It's not been like a long time.
Okay.
It was an amazing journey because it's really good group. Like the people are lovely. They love to help other people, which is cool. We organize so many events, so many different events. This was the JavaScript one that just ended. It was the graduation, and we have another one now that we started yesterday about React and Firebase, for example.
So what events do you have coming up?
This one that every Tuesday in November, hosted by GameSys in Piccadilly Circus.
GameSys.
Woo! This really cool React plus Firebase.
React!
Yeah.
Woo!
React is amazing.
Angular.
Angular. So React plus Firebase event, like crash course that I teach with a colleague of mine, Duncan. And then, and that's pretty much for the November,
Okay.
as far as teaching.
Are you going to DevFest?
Yeah, definitely.
You're
I'll
going
be there.
to Google Next.
Yeah, both days, 20th
Nice.
and 21st.
Perfect.
So we'll
Me
see
also.
soon. This is how we do it.
Da, 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 da.
Rhythm.